Hello, maayong gabi. Good evening day sa tanan. So, this time, I will be discussing to you about my report. So, for my report, I will be discussing about the two types of motivation. So, there are two types of motivation. The extrinsic motivation and the intrinsic motivation. So, let's proceed sa extrinsic motivation. In definition, it is when that which motivates a person is someone or something outside him or her. Example, when a student studies because he was told by his teacher or because he is afraid to fail and his parents will make him stop schooling or because it will lead to a good grade. So, to summarize ang akong nasabtan sa extrinsic motivation, it is a kind of motivation nga gagamit og rewards o punishment. While sa intrinsic motivation, in definition, it is when the source of motivation is from within the person himself or the activity itself. According to Shank et al. 2008, it is motivation to engage in for its own sake. So, ang example diri is when a student reads pocket books because he himself wants to read them or because reading them itself is worthwhile and enjoyable. So, ang intrinsic motivation is ang motivation nga nagagikan sa bata mismo. So, it is an innate kind of motivation. So, to proceed, we have here the role of extrinsic motivation. So, initially, extrinsic motivation is necessary to develop the love for learning among poorly motivated students. If good grades, rewards, praises, or words of encouragement or fear of failing grade can motivate unmotivated students to study, then why not, diba? So for as long as students are hardly motivated, external motivation in the form of rewards, incentives, or punishment play a significant role in the development of motivated students. It is expected, however, that these extrinsic motivational factors be gradually replaced by internal motivation. So, there is a role of extrinsic motivation. Shall I say nga, for example, sa teaching o learning process. Sa part pa lang nga si teacher naghatag og points sa attendance sa mga bata nga naa dito sa attendance during the attendance, it is already a kind of extrinsic motivation. Then along the way, it said here nga it is expected, however, nga ang extrinsic motivation kay mupadulong gyapon sa intrinsic motivation. So pag muabot sa part nga maanad na ang mga bata sa sige nimo hatag nila og plus points sa attendance, maanad na sila ana nga naay plus points sa attendance, motivate na sila sa ilang kaugalingon nga mag early sila didto sa classroom para makakuha sa plus point during the attendance, dira na masulod ang intrinsic motivation. So, maura na akong pagsabot sa akong part for this report. Again, thank you, and that's all.